Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Basics. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through on how to log into Kwork. It's a very quick and simple step, so without any further delay, let's dive right in. For that, let's tap into your preferred web browser. You can use any web browser you'd like. I am using Google Chrome right here. Let's tap into that, and at the very top, at the search bar, you can see that. And you can type in Kwork login since we're good to log in. Let's tap enter, and one thing you gotta keep in your mind is you have to tap into the official site, which is this one. Let's tap into that, and you'll be greeted with this login page. It's a very simple step from here. You have to type in your email, of course, that is associated with your account, and your password at the second field. So yeah, if you forgot your password, you don't need to worry at all. You can tap in this option right here that says forgot your password, and it will help you with that. And if you want this site to remember your information, you can simply tap in the square box, or you can simply leave it like that. Also, there are various ways to sign into your Kwork account. You can either sign in with your Facebook account or your Google account or even your Apple ID. So that's it. For the final step, all you gotta do is tap into that green button that is sign in, and you will be signed into your Kwork account. The signing into your Kwork account is as easy and simple as that. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Tech Basics. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.